What if there are multiple realities, each with its own set of rules? Our universe is vast beyond comprehension. It's filled with billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, planets, and countless celestial objects. It all started with the Big Bang, a moment of incredible energy and expansion that set everything in motion. What existed before the Big Bang? What was the state of everything before that monumental event? It's one of the biggest mysteries in science, a puzzle that has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. Think about it. Where did all the stuff that makes up the universe come from? What was the origin of all matter and energy? What existed before space and time as we know them? Was there a void or something entirely different? The answer is far from simple. It challenges our understanding of physics and the very nature of existence. Get ready to explore some truly mind-blowing ideas of multiverse theory and concepts about black holes and the very fabric of space-time that will stretch your imagination to its limits. How long was the universe around before the Big Bang? There was no before because time itself didn't exist. Think of time like a line. The Big Bang is at one end, before it there is nothing. As it becomes a line, the universe expands with it. Asking what came before the Big Bang is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It's not that there's no answer. It's that the question doesn't make sense in the way we usually think. But some theories suggest a different story. Maybe time itself didn't begin with the Big Bang. Maybe it existed in a different form, or maybe our Big Bang was just one event in a much larger, more complex reality that we struggle to comprehend. Here's a mind-blowing thought. What if our universe wasn't the first? Imagine for a moment that the cosmos we know is just one chapter in an infinite book of universes. What if it's just the latest version in a never-ending cycle of cosmic creation and destruction? A cycle where universes are born, evolve, and then meet their end, only to give rise to new ones. That's what some scientists believe. They propose that our universe is not a standalone event, but part of a grander, more intricate cosmic tapestry. They think our universe could be the offspring of a previous universe that existed before ours. This previous universe might have gone through its own life cycle, culminating in a dramatic end that seeded the birth of our own cosmos. How could this happen? Enter the mighty black hole. These enigmatic entities might hold the key to this cosmic rebirth. These cosmic monsters are so dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Their immense gravity warps space and time, creating a point of no return. Some theories suggest that when a black hole collapses, it could create a new universe on the other side, like a cosmic seed. This collapse might trigger a new Big Bang, giving birth to a fresh universe. This idea is called the Big Bounce theory. It challenges the traditional view of a singular Big Bang, proposing instead a cyclical model of cosmic evolution. It paints a picture of a universe that expands, collapses, and then bounces back again in a new Big Bang. This cycle could have been repeating for eons, with each iteration giving rise to new cosmic landscapes. If true, it means our universe isn't just a one-time event, but part of a grand cosmic cycle. This perspective opens up a realm of possibilities, suggesting that the universe is far more dynamic and eternal than we ever imagined. Black holes are complete mysteries. We know they're incredibly dense regions of space-time, but what happens inside them? Some scientists believe they could be portals or gateways to other universes. Imagine a black hole like a tunnel. On one end, you have our universe, and on the other end, maybe it leads to a completely different universe with its own laws of physics and its own history. This idea is still highly speculative. We can't just hop in a spaceship and fly through a black hole to see what's on the other side, yet. But the mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes gravity, does hint at the possibility of these cosmic shortcuts between universes. Journey through a black hole. What happens? Let's take a hypothetical trip into a black hole, shall we? Don't worry, we'll keep it brief and survive. As you approach a black hole, its immense gravity starts stretching you out like spaghetti, a process scientists call spaghettification. But what happens next? That's where things get really weird. Some theories suggest that inside a black hole, all the information about everything that ever fell in gets squished into an infinitely small point called a singularity. Others believe that instead of a singularity, there might be something else entirely. Maybe a white hole, which is like a black hole in reverse, spewing out matter and energy. Or perhaps a passage to another universe. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Our universe, from a seed of singularity. Now let's rewind back to our own Big Bang. Imagine the universe as we know it, shrinking back in time, galaxies converging, stars collapsing, until we reach a single, infinitesimally small point. Most scientists believe that our universe began from a singularity, an infinitely dense and hot point. This singularity contained all the mass and energy that would eventually form everything we see around us today. But where did that singularity come from? This question has puzzled scientists and philosophers alike for decades. Could it be that our universe was born from the singularity of a black hole in a parent universe? This idea suggests that black holes might be the seeds of new universes. It's a mind-bending idea, but it's one possible explanation for the origin of our cosmos. If true, it means that black holes are not just the end of stars, but also the beginning of new universes. Imagine a black hole collapsing in on itself, reaching a point of such extreme density that it triggers the creation of a new universe, ours. This process could be happening all the time, in countless places across the cosmos. This theory ties together the mysteries of black holes and the Big Bang in a fascinating way. It suggests that the universe is a vast, interconnected web of creation and destruction, with black holes acting as the bridges between different realms of existence. It suggests that the end of one universe could be the beginning of another in an endless cycle of cosmic birth and rebirth. This cycle could have been going on for eternity, with each universe giving rise to the next in a never-ending chain of creation. A multiverse of possibilities. Hold on to your hats because things are about to get even wilder. Some scientists believe that our universe isn't the only one. They propose the existence of a multiverse, a vast collection of universes, each with its own unique properties. Imagine countless universes bubbling up like foam in a cosmic bath. Some might be similar to ours, with stars and galaxies. Others might be incredibly different, with different laws of physics and even different dimensions. The multiverse idea is still highly speculative, but it's a fascinating possibility. It suggests that our universe, vast as it is, might just be a tiny speck in a much grander and more complex reality. One popular theory is the bubble universe theory, which suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of universes. Then there's the many worlds interpretation, which proposes that every quantum event spawns a new universe, leading to an infinite number of parallel worlds. Another intriguing idea is the brain multiverse theory, which posits that our universe exists on a membrane, or brain, floating in a higher dimensional space. These theories propose different mechanisms for the existence of multiple universes, each with profound implications for our understanding of reality. If any of these theories are correct, it means that our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. The multiverse concept challenges our perception of reality and opens up a realm of possibilities that are both mind-boggling and awe-inspiring. Evidence and obstacles. The search continues. So far, we've explored some mind-blowing ideas about what might have existed before the Big Bang. But here's the catch. Finding evidence for any of these theories is incredibly challenging. The Big Bang itself wiped out any direct evidence of what came before. It's like trying to find footprints in the sand after a tsunami. The event itself erased the clues. However, scientists are resourceful. They're looking for indirect evidence, such as ripples in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, that might hold clues about the universe's earliest moments. Hawking's take and other brilliant minds. The question of what came before the Big Bang has captivated some of the greatest minds in science, including the legendary Stephen Hawking. Hawking explored the idea that the universe might be finite but boundless, like the surface of a sphere. Just like you can keep traveling on a sphere without ever reaching an edge, time in Hawking's model might have no beginning or end. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our everyday understanding of time and space. Other brilliant physicists like Roger Penrose have proposed their own theories, including the idea of a cyclical universe with repeating Big Bangs. The search for answers continues, with each new theory pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The boundless universe redefining everything. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, we have to be prepared to expand our definition of everything. What we perceive as the universe might just be a small part of a much grander reality, a reality that includes other universes, other dimensions, and perhaps even other types of time. The Big Bang, once considered the ultimate beginning, might simply be one chapter in a much larger cosmic story, a story that might have no true beginning or end. The quest to understand what came before the Big Bang is a journey to the very edge of human knowledge. It's a quest that challenges our assumptions about reality and pushes us to rethink the fundamental nature of the cosmos. The thrill of the unknown. So, what existed before the Big Bang? The truth is we don't know yet. But that's part of what makes science so exciting. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Perhaps one day we'll have the answers. Or perhaps the journey will lead us to even more profound questions, pushing the boundaries of human curiosity further than ever before. The important thing is to keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep wondering. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and it's up to us to unlock its secrets. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the endless expanse of the cosmos?